Every day, millions of bullets strike hardened glass, yet these transparent shields refuse to break. To survive explosions, the glass must flex, not shatter. Each test is a
Glass used in banks and embassies also protects VIP vehicles, ensuring survival even under heavy fire.
Even when the surface breaks, the inner layers hold together, preventing any penetration.
From raw sand to final armor, every step is engineered to perfection.
The journey begins with sand, the root ingredient of ultra-tough glass. The purest sand can produce crystal-clear armor glass. Bulletproof strength, the glass mixture must be transformed at nearly 1,500 degrees. These plastic layers give bulletproof glass its flexibility and trillity, the secret to stopping deadly force. Resin acts as the bonding agent, the invisible glue that holds the layers together.
A drop of additive is measured with microscopic precision, ensuring the perfect chemical balance for strong, clear armor.
Raw sand transforms into liquid glass, analytic, vibrant, flowing, and almost alive. Is how perfectly flat sheets are formed, floating delicately on molten metal. Cooling too fast could shatter the glass. This tunnel ensures every sheet achieves perfect strength.
Only flawless base sheets can advance to the next stages. Any imperfection is rejected immediately.
To stop bullets effectively, each sheet must have exact thickness down to a fraction of a millimeter.
Flawless edges prevent weak points, a crucial step before lamination.
Even slight distortions can compromise performance. This ensures perfect optical quality.
Layer must be dust-free. Even microscopic particles can weaken bullet resistance.
This hard coat prevents scratches and ensures long-term clarity for critical applications. Before bonding, materials must reach identical temperatures, ensuring perfect fusion. Visible adhesive layer holds the layers together like molecular glue.
Perfect alignment ensures maximum strength. Misalignment could compromise protection.
Layers correctly determines the grade: Hoban, civilian, high security, or military. Digital labels ensure every stack is tracked and verified.
This civilian-grade configuration is widely used in banks and office windows.
Digital labels ensure every stack is tracked and verified.
Mid-tier security requires additional layers to withstand high-powered threats.
Grade laminates can resist even extreme ballistic threats. Air is removed, ensuring perfect clarity and strength. Pre-compression stabilizes layers before final lamination. Balanced tension prevents cracking under sudden impact. Microscopic gap is filled, making the structure bullet-resistant. Edges protect stacks during high-pressure lamination. Now, the stacks are ready for the most critical stage: intake, industrial fusion. Every panel is digitally tracked, from raw sand to final deployment. Autoclaves will fuse layers permanently under heat and pressure.
And exceed several atmospheres, bonding layers at molecular levels.
Uniform teat prevents weak points during lamination. The resin becomes fluid, filling every micro gap. Cooling locks the fused layers into permanent armor. After extreme heat and pressure, careful cooling preserves structural integrity.
Even microscopic dust can weaken laminated glass. Breeder. Every sheet must be spotless. Smooth edges reduce stress points, a critical step in making bulletproof glass.
Each layer must be perfectly bonded. Even a fraction of a millimeter can compromise performance. Clear visibility is essential pairing. Even the strongest glass is useless if vision is distorted.
Every cut must be exact. Precision ensures maximum performance.
Are carefully beveled to prevent cracks under stress.
Transparency tests ensure no distortion under any lighting condition.
Multiple polishing stages guarantee optical perfection.
Every layer is analyzed. Even microscopic inconsistencies are detected.
Stress flows are revealed, allowing engineers to reinforce weak points. Simulated micro-impacts ensure long-term durability. Hardness protects against scratches and small abrasions.
Even slight color shifts are unacceptable to autoclave. Clarity is paramount.
Only perfect sheets proceed to the ultimate bullet testing lab. This is where the glass faces its greatest challenge. Tests simulate common threats, controlled pistol impacts. The surface may crack, but internal layers prevent penetration. Force tests the glass's ability to withstand real-world attacks. We test resistance to high-velocity rifle rounds.
Absorbs extreme force. Layers deform without breaking, showcasing unmatched ballistic resilience.
Are typically the most vulnerable surfaces, yet the engineered lamination holds strong. Impacts rarely strike straight on. Angle resistance is critical for survival. Gun blast challenges the full surface. The layers flex, absorb, and prevent penetration. This simulates fast-moving debris, testing every layer's cohesion. Even after severe impacts, the internal layers remain fused, demonstrating engineered resilience. Only after surviving this gauntlet does the glass earn its certification.
Force simulation tests how the glass withstands extreme blunt impacts.
This simulates accidental heavy object collisions, like falling debris.
Bulletproof glass must endure heat extremes without structural compromise.
Tests replicate floods, storms, and high-impact environmental forces.
Vibrations challenge the bonds between layers, a key durability test. Tests show how the glass handles extreme forces without catastrophic failure.
Ensures the glass can absorb unexpected shocks without breaking.
External pressures from collisions or accidents on armored vehicles.
Bulletproof glass protects vehicles around the world, from VIP convoys to secure transports.
Banks, secure buildings, and high-risk facilities rely on these transparent shields daily.
Grade panels protect crews in helicopters and military aircraft, where survival is critical. Grade panels protect crews in helicopters and military aircraft, where survival is critical.
Certified sheet is now ready to protect lives across the globe.
Is the invisible shield that protects millions of lives worldwide. This is how bulletproof glass is made.